Hello friends, today's activity is painting cherry blooms. To paint cherry blooms, I've taken a crimson poster paint. I'm going to dilute this poster color in three shades or three tones, that is light, medium and dark. So first we will make a light tone. For that, here you can see in the palette I'm taking water. I'm going to dip tip of my brush. See, I've loaded it with paint and I will mix it. To show you the shade, I've taken this rough piece of paper. See, this is the light tone. Again I'll take some water. Now I'm taking more of the paint. It's still very similar, so we'll add more color. So you also can create such kind of paint scale, you can say. And I'll take a dark color and I'll take more paint. See, this is more darker than the medium. So I've got three tones: light, medium and dark. So let's begin. We are going to paint some cherry blooms. The cherry blooms or the cherry flowers are very simple. So this is a 5-petal flower, something that you can draw in this way. So you either draw it with the pencil or you can paint it directly with the colors. Now I have drawn this flower with a pencil, but I would request you to try painting it directly with the brush. I'm just drawing this as a sample so that you understand this would be the shape of the cherry flower. I'm going to draw 4 to 5 cherry blooms and a few buds on the paper, and then we'll connect these flowers by painting branches. So first I'm taking very light. I've dipped my brush in the light or very diluted red color. See, this is the way you will paint. You can paint big and small flowers. Now when the color is wet, remember we have seen wet on wet technique in the initial pages of our book. So since this color is wet, I'm dipping my brush in the medium tone of the red color and I'm just adding a little bit to my flower. Somewhere in the center, somewhere along the edge of the petal. Dipping it in the dark tone. Make sure that when you're done, please wash your brush and dry it a little bit on the tissue paper. Slightly uneven shape will give a natural look. Mix some brown paint. I'll paint some branches. When my branches are still wet, I'll just give some dark shades here and there. I've dipped my brush in a very dilute black paint. I will add some details with the dark color. If you feel there is place, then you can add some more flowers. I've dipped my brush in black paint. See, I'm taking this red color and creating a dark red color. Take a smaller brush and just add some details. So basically you see that we are not drawing any, or we are not painting any leaves, because whenever the cherry flowers bloom, you can see only the flowers on the branches and not any leaves. We'll erase any pencil lines. We'll allow this to dry. Painting of cherry blooms is now ready.